24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of magnet and magnetism from chapter 5 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover magnets and its poles, Earth, a huge magnet, magnetic compass, types of magnets. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them, what are magnets? Have you seen or used magnets? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise properties of magnets. Keep writing the responses on the board. Select different types of magnets like disc, bar, horseshoe, and show them to the students. Tell them to notice that half of the magnet is blue and half is red. This shows the poles of the magnets. Like charges, like poles repel each other, and unlike poles attract each other. Show this to the students by bringing like and unlike poles of magnets together. Explain the magnetic fields around the magnets further with the help of the textbook and the board. Suspend a bar magnet with the help of a stand. After the magnet comes to the rest, swing it. After it comes to rest again, disturb it again. Then, when it comes to rest, ask the students what they observe. Did they observe that the magnet always comes to rest in the same position? This is because of the Earth's magnetic field. Explain to them, with the help of the textbook, how Earth is a huge magnet. Show to the students a magnetic compass. Suspend a bar magnet with the help of a stand and let it come to rest. See if the north of the compass and bar magnet points in the same direction. Explain the functioning of the magnetic compass with the help of the textbook. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what permanent, temporary, and electromagnets are. You can also create an electromagnet in the classroom with the students. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to draw the diagram of the magnetic field around a bar magnet. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.